Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I will show you how to count the occurrence of a certain character within a character string in the R programming language. So in the video I'm going to show you two examples, and both of these examples are based on the example character string that we can create with line 2 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that at the top right of RStudio a new character string object appears. And we can also have a look at this character string by running line 3 of the code, and then you will see at the bottom in the RStudio console that our character string is consisting of a random sequence of letters. So let's assume that we want to know how often the character A is contained in the character string X. Then we can apply the length function in combination with the regmatches function in combination with the gregexpr function, as you can see in line 6 of the code. And then within these functions we also need to specify the name of our character string. So in this case our character string is called X, and the letter for which we want to search. So if you run this whole line of code, you will see that at the bottom in the RStudio console the value 6 is returned, and this actually means that the letter A is contained 6 times in the character string X. So as you have seen, the code of example 1 is relatively complex. So for that reason I want to show you an easier alternative in the second example of this video. And the second example is based on the stringr package. So first we need to install and load the package, as you can see in lines 9 and 10 of the code. I have installed the package already, so I'm just going to load it with line 10 of the code. And now we are able to apply the functions of the stringr package. So one function that is contained in the stringr package is the str_count function, as you can see in line 12 of the code. And within the str_count function we simply need to specify the name of our character string object. So in this case the name of our character string object is X, and the letter which we want to count. So if you run line 12 of the code, you will see that at the bottom in the RStudio console, again the value 6 is returned. So the output is exactly the same as in example 1 of the video. However, the code of example 2 is not as complex as the code that I have shown in example 1. So in this video you have learned how to count the number of times a specific character is appearing within a character string. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the R programming code of this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you could check it out there. And furthermore, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.